Building on the biological aspects, the activation of the oxytocin system is a key neurobiological process highlighted in the theories. Oxytocin is a hormone associated with social bonding and stress reduction. The integrative theory specifically links the activation of the oxytocin system, particularly through physical contact, to stress reduction in humans during human-animal interaction. This activation can contribute to the overall calming and positive effects observed. Research has explored the neurophysiological correlates of affiliative behavior between humans and dogs, with findings suggesting changes in neurochemicals associated with positive interactions. For example, dogs receiving positive human interaction have shown increases in beta-endorphin, prolactin, phenylethylamine, and dopamine levels, hormones associated with bonding, euphoria, pleasure, and happiness, indicating positive effects on the animals. While these studies often focus on the animal's response, the underlying principle of oxytocin system activation applies to the human side as well, contributing to feelings of attachment, trust, and reduced anxiety. This activation of the oxytocin system via easy-to-establish touch and physical contact is considered a potential special advantage of animal-assisted intervention. The neurobiological and physiological effects documented in research, such as decreased cortisol levels and lower blood pressure and heart rate, are consistent with the activation of a stress-reducing system like the oxytocin pathway. Measuring these physiological variables, such as salivary cortisol levels, blood pressure, and heart rate, is a way researchers attempt to capture the biological impact of human-animal interactions.
Another important proposed process, particularly relevant in settings where individuals might be experiencing discomfort or negative emotions, is distraction. The process of distraction through animals is primarily applicable in the context of animal-assisted intervention for the reduction of pain, anxiety, and negative mood. Animals provide a distraction from these negative states, a process likely also supported by human biophilia. Research in other areas has documented the effects of distraction through various means, such as music, cartoons, clowns, and engaging video games. The level of engagement provided by the distracting object, activity, or animal likely has a positive correlation with the buffering of stress and negative emotions. If animals can effectively distract and thereby reduce pain, depressive mood, or anxiety, this process would be highly relevant for settings such as hospitalization, medical procedures, or different crisis situations in the family. While what engages someone to an optimal extent is highly individual, and direct research specifically investigating the distraction effects of animals in animal-assisted intervention settings has been limited until recently, the potential for animals to serve as a powerful, engaging distraction remains a plausible mechanism for their positive impact. Beyond distraction, the broader theories like biophilia suggest an inherent positive response to animals, and anthropomorphism, the tendency to attribute human characteristics, can make interacting with animals feel more familiar and comforting. If you're enjoying this, remember to like, share, and subscribe as proceeds from this channel go directly to providing vital veterinary care for animals in need.